colors, and then you have shades, you know. So, and there's a lot of things that happen in art. Your visualization becomes more stronger. You understand, you get a deeper understanding of physics, and you begin to become much more aware of tiny little peculiarity in nature that we are jaded to, that's oblivious to our vision, that only becomes clear when we start to look at art. We realize that the things that we very seldom see or take for granted are conducive or contingent on this three-dimensional depiction on a two-dimensional surface. So that's my introduction to why I am infatuated with art. And as you all can see, that my ability to create art has increased exponentially. You know, I do it effortlessly because it's fascinating. It's unraveling a lot of phenomenon. You know, I am painting people that's unfolding. It's like predictive programming. It truly is a fascinating phenomenon. Like you created this phenomena and it's unfolding. How is it unfolding? Is it predictive programming? Is it precognition? You know, am I an unconscious instrument or a conduit in a much bigger, grander spectrum of things? Who knows? So that's it. You know, I find art to be an intriguing phenomenon, and I am excited to add it to my second hobby, next to music. That's it. You know, another fascinating aspect of is, you know, what makes an object pop? Is it that touch of light, or is that spark of light, or that touch of darkness? Because sometimes you might implement light first on a surface, and you know, the angle of the light that's reflected on the object determines the length, because the length of the shadow increases and decreases as the sun changes its direction in the sky. Now, all this physics is imperative to understand directly where to cast a shadow below an object when the sun is reflecting on it. So this is why I find art intriguing, because art has expanded my mind exponentially. Right, in many different ways, all different ways. You know, or you have supernatural ways as well. You know, you draw stuff and you see it manifests in reality in real time. That's some supernatural stuff. No one talks about that stuff. Or you create an object and then you just a touch of light and it comes to life, or a touch of darkness and it just takes form, or you just put a little red into a green pepper, and it becomes rich and filled with life. This is what art does. This is art. You paint in a pepper, and it's fascinating because you put a little darkness and it just takes a form. It just takes formation, and it happens instantaneously. It hits you like a euphoria. I call it the bliss of art, the euphoria of art, the bliss of art, the euphoria of art. And one bliss is when you can't